How to see sent follow request on Instagram. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Go to your profile located on bottom right and then click on three lines on top right. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on Account Center and then click on Your Information and Permission. After that, click on Download Your Information. Again, download or transfer information. Select Instagram and then press on Next. Click on All Available Information. After you choose All Available Information or some of your information, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll down till you find Contacts and Followers and Following Connection. Click on Connect to Device, press on Done. After that, the Gmail you added in that Instagram will send you a link from which you can download and see. And this is how to see send follow request on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.